Choose our Grand Canyon West Rim Helicopter Air Tour and travel in luxury and style to America's #1 natural wonder of the world on board a 5-star Grand Canyon helicopter. Enjoy fascinating commentary and narration from one of our friendly tour pilots. Stunning aerial views of the Hoover Dam, Bypass Bridge and Mojave Desert. Descend into the depths of the Grand Canyon as you soar like a golden eagle over the mighty Colorado River, past geological rock formations that span millions of years. Enjoy the facilities of the Grand Canyon West Welcome Center during your approximate 30-minute landing. Choose 5-star helicopters, first-class service at affordable prices.